1343 Victory update video. As you can see, we got a lot. They got to still paint the shutters, but the outside's been painted. It looks awesome back here too. They're gonna have to do some touch-ups, but it looks really good. You can see they still got a spray up there where it's white. They're not done yet, obviously. We had some rain, so they had to quit, but you can see the back. It's just a nice color. And then we got the roof. The roof is on. It's a newer roof, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's go inside. They're working. So you can see here we got all the baseboard. There's the flooring, which is a really nice flooring. I'll show you upstairs. There's all the stuff for the bathroom. Again, all this is painted up in here. Blinds, plugs, and switches are all in. Really looks good. New lights. And then we're getting this all sprayed. This is all ordered. We'll get this out of here. This will not be in here. Let me go in the basement here real quick and then we'll go upstairs. You can see here, they got all the plumbing. They're digging all that up, all the plumbing in. So your toilet goes there, vanity, or no, yeah, vanity. And then the shower would go over here. See, all this is getting done. There's the door. I don't know if this is over here. Well, that's one of the medicine cabinet right there. So that's good. It's really coming along. And then we still have to get a pump for this in here. He's got to put a pump on this yet. And we get all this back here. It's a newer heater, so we're good there. And there's your newer water heater. Then let's go upstairs and look at the flooring that they're doing. They're doing some good flooring up here. Let's go up here. All the bedrooms. In the bathroom here, we're going to be doing that. They're still working. They haven't really done much, but all this stuff is painted, lights, plugs, and switches. We went through there last week, as you can tell. It's all done. Your new plugs and switches. Let's go upstairs where he's putting in the new flooring. There it is. Here's kind of what it looks like on the back. Get the rubber. Really nice stuff. How we doing, sir?
Doing great.
He's putting in the flooring. It looks fantastic. And it's going to really open up this room. So, again, you're doing the rest of the house too, right?
We haven't talked about that just yet.
But I'm sure you will be, so
Yeah.
great. All right, so this is Brett. I'm with Key Realty. You guys got any questions, call me. 216-703-5740. Better properties, exceptional results. Thanks.